In this segment, we will talk about another capability under the WineStation tab called overrides. We select overrides from the drop-down menu and we bring up a screen. And in this screen, there are many items that have been previously defined that can be overridden. What that means is, let me click Edit, that if for some reason, as the owner or as the manager of the facility, regardless of what was entered into the database for a variety of these parameters, this area allows you to change it automatically, regardless of what it said or whatever that person had put in for those items. So for example, happy hour override enabled means that regardless of what discount was put in for any individual wine, it will be overridden by whatever the number is in this particular area. Another example of what can be overridden is the wine description override. What that means is that you can put text for line 1, line 2, line 3, and line 4, and what you want displayed on the LCDs when the wine is shown. Whatever you put in these areas will show up on the wine LCDs, regardless of whatever was described in the wine database. Another example are the pour button text override. Right now, the text buttons are defined as taste, half, and full. But if you would like to change those labels, you can do that with the override by simply enabling it, making the changes you'd like to see, and then it would automatically show up that way for every wine in every position that is in the WineStation system. Another example of what can be overridden are the pour button volume capabilities. So regardless of whether the left button says 1 ounce, middle says 3, or the right says 6, you can change that in terms of what is actually dispensed. So these are examples of the overrides that you are able to change regardless of what was set originally for the machines and for the wines.